Okay guys, I got the 900 shirts moved in that Project LTD had shipped here. Normally from this angle, you'd be able to see the screen printing press, but those are stacked over my head. That's awesome. So the community outreach is absolutely amazing. Hashtag Detroit Strong. Everyone wants to pour in and help, so we're gonna get them here and other volunteers to actually help pull this off. Everybody wants to help out, so let's do this. I actually spent yesterday before moving these in here cleaning all the ash that has accumulated on all of our equipment, on the floors and stuff like that. It's still pretty smoky and pretty messy outside, so visibility isn't that good. I can barely see across our field to our barn. So I'm gonna get this thing set up so that when the volunteers get here, it's ready to go and we can just kind of put people where we need to go. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for your support. Thanks for the emails. Thanks for the donations. Together, we're gonna make something happen. It's gonna be amazing. Hey guys, so this whole project for hashtag Detroit Strong is all done by volunteers. We just donated our equipment. Project LTD ordered all the shirts, and I want to introduce you to Jamie, who started and contacted me. You guys, this is Jamie right here.
Hi, I am Jamie. I own Project Graphic Design and Marketing out of Salem, Oregon, and I've followed Parsons Designs on Instagram for years and years. So I was really excited to partner up with him on this project to try to rebuild Detroit.
Yeah, it's been so much fun. It's like all these people out here, after she reached out to me, and then she's like, hey, let's bring volunteers in, and I'm like, all right, cool. I'm teaching people to screen print and just get in there and get their hands dirty and just serve and help. And a lot of these people in here too, that not even just today, within the last couple of days, have also had their homes lost, their businesses suffering, and they're here serving. Some of them can't even get up there right now, but they're right here with us. So we just wanted to inform you on the people that are making these things and who you're supporting, and we thank you for your support. Now what do we say? We go around and meet some of these volunteers and hear some of their stories.
This is my mommy, Linda O'Donnell. They own Mountain High Grocery in Detroit, which luckily still stands. How long ago did you build the cabin?
About 22 years ago. We were fortunate enough to get the lot, and then we found the plans for this dream home, and we'd had one on the refrigerator for many years. So we built this log cabin and moved up there about 21 years ago, 22 years ago, and it's been a fabulous time. We love it. We look out onto the lake and Piety Island every morning and have our wine and our coffee on the deck, and we miss it desperately. So we're rebuilding, and it may not be a log one, but it's going to be something really special.
Hi, I'm Kathy Scheel, and I am so happy to be here to help Linda and Dean and all the rest of the crew with the Detroit Strong t-shirts. And we're here at Aaron Parsons' studio, and we made t-shirts all day long. Aren't they awesome? T-shirts and sweatshirts. And these gals are from Oregon Spirit Chorus, so we got Lori, And we've got Linda, of course, and we have her sister Cindy.
Hi.
And it's been a fabulous day. It feels good to help in some way. So go Oregon Spirit, go Detroit Strong, and just keep buying these t-shirts.
Okay, for right now, we're caught up here. Got all the shirts printed, and after they're done, the fabulous Detroit Lake Market crew loads them up in their truck, and they take them on over to a facility where a winery has set aside the entire building of their tasting room, if I'm not mistaken, which we're going to go check out because I've not been there yet. And we've got all the shirts lined out. Jamie's over there with Project, getting all the volunteers lined up for getting the shirts out to you guys. So we're going to go over there and check it out since we're caught up here for the moment and show you what's going on. All right, we're out here in the sorting facility where the winery is in this little building, and that's where they're putting this thing together. Loading them up, taking them to the post office. Ladies here got these all ready to ship, and so I thought we'd just take a little time since the press is not being used to take care of that. That's not even half of them, guys. Thank you. Good job. It's kind of like Tetris. Is that good like that? Ow. All right, guys, there's a little behind the design look of what's going on with the hashtag Detroit Strong project. As of right now, we've raised over $65,000, and I've got you guys' emails and video submissions for the next video we'll be working on of why we love Detroit Lake. Next up in the docket, we're gonna be working on adding hats to them too. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you in the next video.